Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about frames in HTML. Frames are used to divide the browser window into multiple parts. Okay, this concept is helpful to represent information as indexes. If we click on the hyperlink text on one frame, then the hyperlink description will be displayed on another frame. Okay, so here frame set tag is used to divide the browser window into multiple parts. Okay, it has two attributes, those are rows and columns. Okay, let's see. Here this is one browser window. I want to divide this browser window into two parts horizontally. Okay, so if you want to divide the browser window into multiple parts horizontally, then you need to use rows attribute. Okay, so here I am dividing the browser window into two parts. So the first part is 50% and the second part is 50%. Okay, then you need to give rows is equals to 50% comma 50%. Okay, or if you want to divide this browser window into three parts, so this is 50 and this is 20 and this is 30, then 50% comma 30% comma 20%. Like this you can divide the browser window into multiple parts by using frame set tag. Okay, now I want to divide this browser window into two parts vertically. Okay, so if you want to divide the browser window into multiple parts vertically, then you need to use calls attribute. Okay, so here first is 60%, second one is 40%. So 60% comma 40%. Okay, so in this way you can divide the browser window either vertically or horizontally by using frame set tag. So the frame set tag cannot be written in between the body tags. The frame set tag consists of two optional attributes such as rows and columns. So this frame set tag must be in head section. Okay, so the first attribute is rows. This attribute is used to divide the window into number of rows. Okay, by using rows you can divide the browser window into many parts. Next, calls. This attribute is used to divide a window into multiple number of columns. Okay, so if you want to divide the browser window into vertical parts, then you need to use calls. After dividing a window into number of frames, then we have to specify the information to the respective frames. Okay, so here I divide the browser window into two parts. Okay, so this is one row and this is one row. So each part in the frame will hold one document. Okay, so this is one HTML document and this is one more HTML document. So if you divide this browser window into four parts, so every frame hold one document. Okay, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. Okay, every part of browser window will hold one document, will hold some information. For this purpose you need to use frame tag. So frame tag is used to place content into the web page, content in the forms. Okay, so here frame tag has some attributes, those are src, name, scrolling, frame border. Okay, so this is my web page. So I divided this web page into two parts. Okay, next, frame src is equals to url. So in the first frame I would like to place welcome.html page, welcome.html document. Okay, so then you need to give src is equals to welcome.html, that is the address of document. Okay, so here you need to specify the document name that you would like to place on the web page. Okay, name is an optional attribute, you can specify any name. Okay, scrolling, so whether your web page need a scrolling or not. So if you want to place scrolling on the web page, then you need to specify scrolling is equals to yes. Okay, if you don't want any scrolling on the web page, then you can specify no. If you specify scrolling is equals to auto, then the browser will decide whether the web page need scrolling or not. Okay, next, frame border. So if you want to apply the borders to the frame, then you need to use border attribute. Okay, so these are the 4 optional attributes. First one is src. src stands for source, which is used for specify the address of file that is displayed on the particular frame. Okay, so if you divide the browser window into 3 parts, then you need to use 3 frame tags. Okay, 3 frame tags and 3 sources. Okay, first frame source will hold first frame content, second frame source hold second frame content, and so on. Okay, next, name. This attribute is used to specify name of the frame. Next one, scrolling. The attribute is used to display the scroll bar on the particular frame. It will take 3 input values such as yes, no, and auto. If you specify yes, the scrolling will be displayed on the web page. If you specify no, the scrolling is not displayed on the web page. If you specify auto, then the browser will decide whether the scrolling is needed or not. Okay, next one, frame border. This attribute is used to specify the frame border. It takes 2 input values, those are 0 and 1. If you represent 1 frame with border, or 0 represents frame without borders. Okay, next, so here one example, write an HTML program to create frames. Okay, so here I divided the browser window into 2 parts vertically. Okay, so here the concept is the first frame hold contents. So this is the heading. Okay, here birds is one hyperlink, animals is one hyperlink, flower is one hyperlink, and color is one hyperlink. So what is hyperlink? Whenever you press the hyperlink, the web page will be opened, another web page will be opened. Okay, so in the second frame, I placed selected any one option from the left frame. So if I select birds in the left frame, then birds information displayed in this frame. If I press animals, then animals information displayed in this frame. Okay, so here in this example, both frames as well as hyperlinks are used. So let's see. Here the first program is HTML head title is frame, head close. Okay, so within the head tag you need to specify the frame set. So frame set calls is equals to 50%, 50%. Okay, so here you are dividing the browser window into vertically, so then that's why you need to use calls attribute. Okay, so here browser window is divided into 2 parts. First one is 50% and second one is 50%. Okay, frame src is equals to contents.html name left frame. So in the left frame, I would like to place contents.html. So here contents.html is another document, another HTML document. Whatever the information in contents.html, that will be displayed on the left frame. Okay, next, then you need to specify the information for second frame. So that's why you need to use one more frame tag. src is equals to information.html, name is right frame. Okay, so in this right frame the information.html document will be displayed. Okay, so first you need to see the contents.html. let's see. HTML, head, title, contents, title clause, head clause, body, h1 content. So here contents is the heading. href is equals to birds.html. so here anchor tag, a means anchor tag. Okay, anchor tag is used for hyperlinks. Okay, so if you press the hyperlink then another web page will be opened. So here the address is birds.html and target is right frame. Okay, birds. href is equals to animals.html, right frame, animals. So whatever the information in animal.html, that information will be displayed on the right frame. Okay, so here birds, animals, next flowers, colors or hyperlinks. Whenever you press birds, whatever the content in birds.html, that information will be displayed on the right frame. Okay, so here 4 hyperlinks are there and 4 addresses are given. Okay, let's see information. Okay, so here html head. Okay, so in the body tag the information is placed, that is select any one option from the left frame. Okay, so this is one web page and this web page is divided into 2 parts. Okay, so here contents are there and next here information is there. That information is select one option from the left frame. Okay, so then you need to create 4 more web pages. Those are birds, animals, flowers and colors. Okay, so let's see one by one. First one is birds. HTML head title. Okay, in the body tag h1 birds and here another list is used. Okay, so list item is parrot, peacock, dove, pigeon. Next, animals, those are rabbit, tiger, lion, dog. Okay, so here also another list is used. Next one is flowers, those are rose, jasmine, lotus and sunflower. Next one, colors, green, pink, rose, yellow. Okay, so those information will be displayed on the right frame. Okay, so this is the output. So here contents, next this is information. Okay, so whenever you press on birds, the birds list will be displayed. Whenever you press on the animals list will be displayed. Okay, like flowers and colors. Okay, so in this way, by using frames you can divide the browser window into multiple parts and you can link with one web page to another web page. Okay, so I hope it's clear. If you have any doubts, please comment me in the comment section, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.